here at SonarPros picking up my new boat. I want to brag on Trent and the guys here for just a second. This is the 6th year that they rigged my boat. I've seen a lot of customers here. Everybody's left here happy. They get your electronics crystal clear, clean power, and you can use these things very effectively. Please check out SonarPros. You won't be sorry you did. Got a wiring harness installed, all my lithium batteries, got all my shut-off switches back here in case we have an electrical problem, but it's all cool. SonarPros does a great job on rigging. Everything's where it's supposed to be. Got a dual setup here at the console on BassBoatDek mounts. I'm running 2 12s. I'm running 2 different brands. I run 2 different kinds of sonar and transducers, so I run 2 different brands for here and for my mapping. It just gives me a little more option. As we work our way up to the front, power pole move with a 360 on there. It gives me all the visibility that I need. Got a low wrench 12 here for my mapping and stuff, and then I got my 360 up here on the front. Guys, BassBoatDek, SonarPros, these guys team up together and do a great job every year. Got my BassBoatDek system that they put on this thing. As you can see, I got a good nice step here. I got in the splash well where it won't scratch up the boat. As you come up, it's in the floor. You can put any kind of logo you want in this thing. They got it down pat. Got features where your rods lay, keep everything from scratching your boat. Nice good steps on the back, good firm platform in the floor.